In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to promote your affiliate links with Twitter. Now, as you know, Twitter is a leading social media platform. It's also a good opportunity to make some passive income. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com if you want to learn affiliate marketing step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, we're just going to take a look at a few different ways that you can make money promoting your affiliate links with Twitter. Now, I want you to realize, and I say this all the time, you are not simply just promoting your affiliate links, you are connecting a solution to a problem. And we're going to take a look at a few examples and how you can do this too. Now, one of my favorite examples, and I think I talk about this a lot, is with PlayStation 5. Now, if you know, PlayStation 5 came out maybe a year and a half ago at this point, and it's been almost impossible to get. And if you are on Twitter, if you're interested in PlayStation 5, Twitter can be a great way to learn when it's available, and it can be a great way to make some money. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in PS5 here just to show you. PS5, that stands for PlayStation 5. And what people are doing is they are simply creating tweets, sending out tweets when PlayStation 5s become available. For example, I got an email yesterday from GameStop letting me know that PlayStation 5s would be available at my store. Now, what these people are doing is they're actually posting links when PlayStation 5 becomes available on Amazon or Walmart or Target or even GameStop. So if we go through here, we want to look for an example. For example, look at this one, PS5 in stock alert. So what happens is they have a bot that's basically running in the background, and they're looking for when stock becomes available, when the number changes from 0 on a website. And what they do is they actually will tweet out a link when it becomes available. Take a look at this. This is on Walmart right here. It says Walmart Plus is required. Walmart, of course, has an affiliate program. They are tweeting out a link. This was just 21 hours ago when Walmart has a PlayStation 5 back in stock. And what happens is hundreds of thousands of people flock to this link and click on the affiliate link and try and buy or secure their PlayStation 5. And when that happens, these people can make money. So as you can see, let's take a look at this. 1.1 million followers connecting a solution to a problem. Millions of people want to get their hands on PlayStation 5s. They are connecting the affiliate links. They're letting their customers know when it becomes available. So that is the first way. You go out and figure out what people want to know. And it doesn't just have to be PlayStation 5. It can be when graphics cards become available. Let's actually test that real quick. So we could do like, let's type in graphics card like this, and you can see there have been 80 tweets in the last hour about graphics cards. We could look up I think it's the GTX 380. Let's type that in and see. GTX 3080, I think, is one of them. That's really popular. And again, these people have actually put together a bot that will let their customers know when they become available. Now, you don't need to be technical. You don't have to figure out when, you don't have to be technical. You don't have to go out and create different bots. We're going to look at a different way, which is much easier. So if we look at this GTX 3080, and you just simply put your affiliate links when they become available. Some of the stuff isn't relevant, but you get the idea. Another cool way, and we're going to look at two different ways to do this, is to hop on trending topics. So if we go over to the Explore page, we can take a look at and see what people are talking about, and we can join the conversation. And there's two ways to do this. One way is to just look at the Explore page over on Twitter, and the other way is to go to Google Trends. So we're going to go to trends.google.com, and we can take a look and see what people are searching for and what people are talking about around the world. And to do this, we're simply going to click on this hamburger menu in the top left-hand side, and we're going to click on trending searches. One thing that I wanted to point out here while that's loading is if we take a look and see what's trending right now, there are lots of opportunity to potentially make money. So this is the wildcard weekend. If you're into sports, you understand that this is a big football weekend, and the top 3 things that are trending all have to do with football. For example, it says Trubisky, he's a quarterback for the Buffalo Bills. We could be an affiliate for the NFL Shop or Fanatics or even Amazon or Dick's Sporting Goods, and we could join the conversation and put in our affiliate links to buy jerseys or to buy apparel for the Buffalo Bills. But you can see here, people are talking about Trubisky. Now, you don't want to just spam your affiliate links. That's not what we're doing. We are connecting solutions to problems. We are looking for people that are interested in Mitchell Trubisky. They want to learn more about Mitchell Trubisky, or even they want to learn more about the Buffalo Bills. As you can see, we're looking at Bears highlights here, but you can see there are tons of people that are talking about Trubisky. We can do the same thing about different sports. Trayvon Diggs is another athlete. You could link out to his jersey and potentially make money. But if you scroll here, if you don't want to just talk about sports, there are lots of other opportunities out here to potentially make money. There's some rap albums, all sorts of stuff that you could promote. But I think another cool way is to come over here to trending topics. Now, take a look at this. GeForce Now, Fortnite for iOS, that's an opportunity. If you are in the gaming niche, you could hop on this trending topic. So we're just going to type in GeForce here, GeForce, just like this. And you're going to see there are 630 tweets and 300 tweets and 420 tweets talking about GeForce. So we're looking at close to 1,400 tweets talking about GeForce in the last hour. So what we could do is we can go out and be a part of the conversation, and then we can put in our affiliate links once every 10 tweets. If we join the conversation, we're a part of the conversation, this can actually lead to a pretty profitable weekend. The only drawback to Twitter is you're going to have to spend a lot of time on Twitter. Now, one thing that I do want to let you know is some people are going to tell you that you should go out and troll for people that are talking about weight loss. So this is another way that people are going to tell you to try and make money online with Twitter. I don't like this way, but you can do it. So you're looking for people that are looking up questions on how to lose weight. So we could say something like, you could type in like, I need to lose weight, just like this. And you're going to look for people that are tweeting out, I need to lose weight, or I want to get fit. So look at this one. So just trying to figure out how much weight I need to lose. So what some other affiliates will tell you to do is to reach out to this person, slide in the DMs, and offer assistance. This is one way to go, but I like my other way better because it's more subtle. You aren't just trying to promote. You are being a part of the conversation, and that can be actually more profitable. So what we can do is jump back over to Google Trends, and we can take a look. Warriors versus Bucks, another opportunity. Liverpool versus Arsenal. All of these are different opportunities where you could make money. Now, if we go over to real-time searches, we can get a better idea of what's trending within the last 24 hours, and this is going to be even more profitable. So TJ Watt, Pittsburgh Steelers, this is all different opportunities to potentially make money. And the cool thing is we can break these categories down to business, health, sports, science, technology. For example, if we go over to health, we can take a look and see if there's anything within the weight loss. So like diabetes is trending. Once again, aging elderly people, oncology. You could jump in and be a part of the conversation and offer a solution to the problem instead of just spamming your affiliate link and trying to slide in the DMs. The problem with this method, the problem of sliding in DMs, is it takes a lot of time. It's you're going to be taking a lot of shots with a low conversion. For example, you've got to scroll through and find 100 people that are going to want to lose weight. Out of those 100 people, maybe 10% are going to be interested enough to click your link. Maybe 10% from that, or even 1% from that, are actually going to take action. But if you do something like the first method I mentioned, where you connect a solution to a problem to find things that are trending and popular, where there is high demand and there's low volume, and you actually be a part of the conversation and you provide a solution with your affiliate link, that's going to net you a much better result. Think about it like this. What's going to be a higher result? Comment down below which one you think is going to be a higher result. You reaching out to every person that types in, I need to lose weight, or you providing something like if we go back over to PS5, if you simply provide a link anytime a PS5 becomes available. Obviously, that this is going to be a much higher conversion when you do this, because you're going to get much more people coming to you instead of you reaching out to every single person. If you do it the other way, where you're reaching out to people, that's going to be time consuming, but this is going to be a much better way. Another thing you can do is you can jump on different sports teams. I know, for example, the Chicago Bears people are talking about the next head coach, the next GM. You can be a part of that conversation, and you can tweet out new apparel. You can tweet out whenever the NFL comes out with different apparel. But I think this is a much better opportunity. Be a part of the conversation, and you're going to attract people to you instead of you going out to get people. Now that you know 3 different ways to promote your affiliate links with Twitter. Click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com to learn affiliate marketing step by step. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.